Hello, my favorite people in the world, learners. That's what you are. You all made requests, so I am here to fulfill those requests. You told me you wanted to learn more about similes and metaphors. What is the difference? So, similes, it she is as busy as a bee. When you use a simile, you use the word like or as. This one uses the word as. So it's saying she is busy as a bee. That is what she is. So that means she's working a lot. So a simile is going to give you an example of what someone is doing. It is going to compare it. However, when you do a metaphor, he is a shining star. It is giving you a different kind of comparison to tell you someone or something is like something else, but it doesn't use the word like or as. So, is he really a shining star? No. But he is demonstrating qualities of a shining star. He's not actually a shining star. And so it's describing what she is. I'm going to give you a few more examples. The best way to learn similes and metaphors are basically just to look at examples. But a key difference between the two, again, a simile uses like or as when it's describing it, whereas a metaphor is just going to say something is something else. Okay? Let's look at another example. The water is like glass. What does that mean? Is the water actually glass? No. But it is like. It uses the word like. And the other one used the word as for that simile. So if the water is like glass, that means you can see through glass. Glass is clear. So basically you're saying, oh, I can see through the water. It's so clear. It is like glass. Then you have a metaphor. Her smile is a ray of sunshine. So she has this great smile, and it is similar to a ray of sunshine. So similar means the same. So a metaphor is telling you something is the same as this, but it's using an exaggerated state. It's kind of like Miss Gaither. When I say we've done this 57 million times, have we really done it 57 million times? No. But that's what it feels like. So her smile is so great, it is a ray of sunshine. I almost said like. If I had said her smile is like a ray of sunshine, it would then be a metaphor. Sorry, simile. And you know I'm not re-recording because I haven't learned how to edit yet. So, if I had said her smile is like a ray of sunshine, then that would make it a simile. All right. Now we're going to have a little quiz. Let's see if you can answer these before I do. He runs like the wind. Is that a simile or metaphor? A simile. Yay, you got it right. He is a walking encyclopedia. Is that a simile or metaphor? A metaphor. You're getting the hang of it. Time is a thief. That is a metaphor. And the last one, this cake tastes like heaven. That is a simile. So what I want you to notice is both similes uses the word like, right? So he runs like the wind. The wind moves fast. How is he running like the wind? So that means he's running very fast. He is a walking encyclopedia. Is he? He's not. That means he has a lot of knowledge. He knows a lot of things. Time is a thief. Sometimes time gets taken away from us. Is time really stealing anything from us? No. So time is a thief means that time is taken away from us because it's moving so quickly. You usually feel like that during recess. Now, this cake tastes like heaven. What does that mean? This cake tastes so good. It's like heaven. That is a simile. You all did great with that. Our last slide to give you more examples, and let me know if you have questions after you watch this. And I tried to use the same wording. A simile. The classroom was as noisy as a zoo. Metaphor. The classroom was a zoo. So this one uses as, simile uses like or as. So when you all are making too much noise, you're as noisy as a zoo. How it sounds. However, this one I would say refers to maybe when the room is messy and it's like the classroom was a zoo. So there are different times that you can use a simile or a metaphor, and one is more appropriate than the other, and it gives you a better example of what you're trying to express, right? So if you have questions, be sure to let me know. Thank you. Enjoy.